Let's continue from where we left. Okay, right here, break case to cal is to a minus b, break case 3 cal equals to what is 3 option for multiply, 4 is for divide, a into b, break case 4 cal equals to a times b, break d break FAULT default printf error DREAK break. Okay, here the calculator is made, I guess. Let me like this, make it like this, option taken and option switch case, switch O, right? Select the options and do accordingly, but we are not steady outing it right now. We need to printf %d comma cal printf %d comma cal printf %d comma cal printf %d comma cal. The calculator code is done, I think. Right, quit. Now let me compile it. Calc cal one instead has error. Okay, I have to put it here, dash token expected expression dash. Let me cat cal.c. Here is semicolon missing. Okay, let me ask the Claude for it. See, Claude, what is wrong here? Find out. Don't provide me the code. Alright, so this is declaration, this is also declaration. A declaration should have a type and an identifier. Here what's wrong? The format LF isn't quoted, needs to be quoted. This happen. Oh my god. Vim cal.c. Let me put semicolon here. Let me quote it. Quote it. Not very handsome body, ma tersak kasain mere stamen. ठुलो गाडीमा खाएसी लाग्छ खाएसी कसको भएको के लाग्छ nested function definition calculated inside the main standard doesn't allow nested function definition CC allows it as non-standard should be defined outside before main and ideally declare prototype above main wrong format specifier for O is declared as int but you are reading it okay O is %d I guess since we are nested function you are defining okay function in C the functions will be outside the dat result square equals to 5 okay C doesn't allow nested function oh my god so let's return 0 here and then close it right then let's go below and then let's remove this line calculate A, B, wait cdcat cal.c Honda ठुलो गाडीमा now let me compile it function main data the nested function and missing a fixed but here no prototype declaration or calculator before the main you define the calculator after the main but call it inside the main without deciding to calculate before main or move the whole calculator function definition above the main vim calc.c void calculate double A comma double B return 0 cat cal.c now introduce a new program where we are defined twice $60 printing $10 garbage output beam calc calc.c Honda ठुलो गाडीमा C is much better I mean sorry C++ is much better declaration, this is definition. Right, right. Me program corrected version. Work in your environment correctly tested but so here is it. I just need to define it. Void calculate double A comma double B increment double A double B. Now it will work. Wait. Yes. gdb.calc. Yes. Done. 6 5 multiply 630. Sit. Unless calculator is done, I guess. Firefox. The project. This is the code. Correct or not? Cat cl.c. This content this also support test 5 operator including modulo. It should pass. Does symbol 2 operand calculate not an excessive value to actually meet the operator it typically needs something like this. Read a whole line of input, tokenize into number and the operators evaluates nothing here algorithm convert them into infix evaluate algorithm gains. Okay, so this is the basic calculator. Let me ls rmcalc rmcalc.c rmfeeds.c touch calc.c calc.c. inc already include io stdio.h int main return 0. Here I need to take the input from the user. Taking a whole input from the user. Int. How to do it? How to take the whole input as a user? Will I able to build it after finishing this chapter or not? about getting a program to compile and run, understanding the skeleton of program and statement basics. Statement basics, how to translate in network, what kind of thing, that's the foundation, but it's nowhere near what you need for precision aware expression evaluated to actually build the calculator. Speaking this, you will need concept that typical issues of most letters. Point of more than expenses the input expression character by character. Heavily science tokenization and passing in sequence and a pointer arithmetic function and recursion or recursive descent. How is my roadmap? Regarding my stamina, I see laxa. I see Costco, Balco, Kilaxa. Exactly what people have done if I am the chapter inside accurate nice that the correction with the operator behind dogma but erasing the answer of representation of a person need at least a string and ideally recursion some pointers or as written either you build a much simpler to operand calculator in a way unlike the one you just repeated the chapter 6 or 11 or the plane should explicitly say with one basic person with a tokenization. And right now it's like one project but it's really two different difficult tasks wearing the same name. Pace is very aggressive, especially phase 1 week 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and to clear a full chapter with a project that takes several days of focused work on its own. For 6 with the pipes and redirection of knife piece. Can you create a realistic map or not? Too much time. I'm not sure regarding my. Okay, this much for today, I guess.